Hi, my name is Dillon Dunn. I'm a researcher in Yogyakarta from America. The objective of the workshop, or some of the background with creating this workshop, was to encourage students to investigate the relationships or connections between architecture, identity, and sanctity. The focus of my research in Indonesia is asking the question of how does architecture help engender sacred experiences? How does architecture help create sacred experiences while also contributing to and being affected by cultural and religious identity formation, specifically in Central Java? Is that I think architecture can help create sacred experiences through various methods. And in my research, I use the term mechanism of sanctity. So a mechanism of sanctity to me is one of the simplest ways that architecture can help create experiences that are different or outside of the normal realm of experience.
Mengunjungi dua tempat. Jadi yang pertama kita akan berkunjung ke Sendang Sono, yaitu adalah tempat peziarahan yang mungkin lebih dikenal oleh umat Nasrani, mungkin begitu ya. Itu. Jadi yang setelah dari sana kami akan menuju makam Sunan Pandanaran, di mana tempat itu sangat terkenal untuk peziarahan umat Muslim, begitu ya. Sepertinya besok akan cukup ramai ya?
Iya, soalnya kan ini masuk ke dalam bulan haji ya Ibu, jadi pasti akan sedikit ramai.
And so today we have been visiting various sites around Central Java. And the reason we are at both of these sites is because they are both sites that are large sites of pilgrimage for both Christians or Catholics, in the case of Gua Muria Sendang Sono, and Muslims here at Makam Sunan Pandanaran. So with this workshop, we hope that students will be able to, or be encouraged to ask questions about architecture and identity, be encouraged to think about the ways that details, materials, threshold, ascension, and various other experiential tactics influence the experience of pilgrims at sites and help create sacred experiences. And then we also hope that they ask what is special about these sites in terms of identity. How do these sites embody religious identity? How do they embody cultural identity so that as many people as you can see here today come to these sites? I think architecture has an important role in preserving identity and in growing with identity, just as it has an important role in creating sacred experiences.
Ini kita lagi ngerjain project kita tentang sacred place. Hal pertama yang kita lakuin adalah bagi tugas. Dari kita masing-masing udah ngumpulin fotonya di satu laptop, lalu ini lagi proses editing, lalu masing-masing ada yang bikin caption, ada yang nge-sketch gambar, ada juga yang layout. Terus kita lagi membandingin dari hasil diskusi kita tadi, terus diwujudin dalam bentuk gambar visual. Kayak
supaya lebih interaktif, kami nggak cuma mencantumkan gambar-gambar yang kami ambil langsung di lapangan, tapi kami juga membuat beberapa sketsa untuk memperjelas apa yang ingin disampaikan.
Kalau kita ingin menonjolkan bagaimana desain atau arsitektur itu bisa membuat satu tempat sakral berdasarkan observasi yang kita lakukan.
So yes, with tomorrow being the conclusion of the workshop, my hope is that students are able to present their own views, their own perspectives on architecture's relationship with identity and sanctity. I think sanctity and sacred experiences And especially identity is something that is highly subjective in a way. I think you can break it down into more objective categories, but I'm really interested to see how the students convey their own experiences at the site, because it will certainly be different from my experience. I think the last 4 days of the workshop have been successful. I've personally been impressed, and I've also had the opportunity to speak with some of the students and share my own experiences with them as they've shared their experiences with me. So overall, I'm very happy with the outcomes of this workshop, and very happy to have been able to host it here at UGM with great docent and other faculty that are here. So overall, a good experience, and one that I was honored to be able to participate in.
Menurut saya acara ini sangat di luar perkiraan saya. Di sini kayak lebih bebas gitu, kita mau ngomongin apa yang ada di pikiran kita. Terus juga outputnya yang berupa mading itu kayak benar-benar mengasah kreativitas dan kerjasama sama satu kelompok.
Mengasah kemampuan saya dalam menganalisis sesuatu, terlebih menganalisis akan sense of place, yaitu sebuah rasa akan di suatu tempat tersebut.
Acara ini juga menstimulasi saya untuk lebih bertanya tentang ruang-ruang yang ada di sekitar saya. Pesannya, semoga kegiatan seperti ini lebih sering diadakan lagi. Terima kasih.
Jadi harapannya yang dikerjakan teman-teman ini tidak hanya berhenti di ruangan ini, tapi juga membawa dampak untuk adik-adik kelas mereka nantinya, dan juga tentu saja dengan adanya video ini kami harap bisa lebih keluar lagi apa yang telah teman-teman kerjakan di sini, tidak hanya berhenti di arsitektur UGM.